Um, Hello, friends. So, I actually never thought that I would find myself to be one of those souls that so much enjoys watching the birds flying about and singing their song. Um, but here I am. I am one of those souls. So I wrote this poem as a tribute to their beauty. Birds. Birds so eager to start the day with song, greeting the world in such a kind, beautiful way. I hear their songs, blended with the wind, echoed upon trees. I listen, intent, wanting to know the message beyond. Perhaps they know things unknown. I am aware, things rooted in perception. I hear music unfold before me. Others may hear noise outside, distraction, interruption in their sleep. Asleep they prefer to remain. Birds alive, live, loud and proud, filled with voice, certain knowing, yet rarely seen, camouflage self within safety, canopy of trees, brave but not naive, hide self from us beings. Hugs, my friends. Thank you. Thank you for listening.